Hi, I'm Justin Leonard from igus, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to open our E2000 range of energy chains. Now, the E2000 range of energy chains can be found in our chain catalogue. It's in the dark green section, and it covers all of the sort of medium duty general purpose engineering applications that you may have. We have a full range of sizes with different depth of chain, different inner width of chain, and also different bend radius of chain. So any sort of standard medium duty kind of applications you might have for cables and hoses that you need an E-chain for, this E2000 range is a great starting point. I want to show you how easy that is to open up. You can do it by hand or using a screwdriver, and this is how you do it. So on both sides you have a little lug that can be pushed in, and it can either be pushed in with a screwdriver, or you can even do it by hand. So this is a smaller size, just to show you it's exactly the same mechanism. Push the lever in, open it, and as you can see from this, both ways of doing it, you can open the chain from both sides as well, depending on where you have the most access on your machine. So there you are, really straightforward. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call, and I hope this has been useful. Thank you.